You check your forecast, everybody. A little bit damp out there through the mid-morning period. We're going to keep it damp, I think, through the noon hour, maybe shortly thereafter. This is not a big rain event, just enough to cause it to be wet on your windshield. Have to use those windshield wipers in the short term here. Just after 9 o'clock, we've got temperatures in the upper 40s locally, but kind of interesting around the periphery of this Grand Rapids to Kalamazoo corridor. A little bit cooler, 46 in Ionia, lower 40s, Fremont, Muskegon. How about South Haven? That's a chilly start to this Saturday at 39 degrees. Locally, though, in GR, call it 46 at 10 a.m. Just kind of hover in the mid to upper 40s here for a number of hours. Eventually climb back to around 50 to the lower 50s by late day underneath mostly cloudy skies. May there be a break or two for sun or at least some bright spots in the clouds. Possibility late day and early this evening. Future rainfall. Pretty minor. I mean, that's about as close as you're going to get to nothing as you can get. But obviously, we do have some. It's wet outdoors, and it will stay that way for some time. But this afternoon, drying up. Sunshine, warmer on Sunday. When I say sunshine, I'm talking about all blue skies returning for the back half of our weekend. That helps to bump temperatures into the mid to possibly upper 50s for tomorrow. Having said all that, and despite the fact that we will have a couple days in the 60s this coming week, it is going to be markedly cooler by late this work week into next weekend. Check this out. Those deep blue colors showing you where the departures from average are to be perhaps even well below normal in week 2 of the forecast. So if you go to week 2, that's actually beyond what I'm talking about, Thursday and Friday when it goes cooler. So there will be a number of occasions over the next 10 days plus where we can get some cool Canadian air to come on down. Not the greatest news for you folks wanting spring to kick into high gear, but it'll come eventually. Just hang in there. A couple cold days to deal with as we go later this week. Here's that thin band of showers crossing the region as we speak. You can see the back edge of it, though, out over Lake Michigan. So it's not real wide in terms of its scope, and it won't be raining forever. As you can see, 1 o'clock and beyond, it kicks out of here. Still some clouds, though, for the few hours thereafter. May we get a couple breaks for sun. If we do, it's going to be right before sundown, or at least the 2-3 hours before. So there won't be a whole lot of time to warm up today, but we'll do a better job of that tomorrow. We'll need it, though, because it's going to be cool overnight tonight. To clear skies, dropping temperatures down into the lower 30s, Brody. Winter coat necessary tomorrow morning, but sunshine blasting all day long. Monday and Tuesday, yes, there can be a shower later Monday, not a big deal. Maybe a wider spread pattern of showers, a thunderstorm later Tuesday. We'll watch that as temps potentially get as high as 65, and it looks warmer on Wednesday now ahead of a cold front later at night into Thursday that drops us back into the 40s.